You guys feel that? It's getting a little hot in here, huh? Getting a little hot because we're bringing the fire today, baby, okay? Now today, if you're looking to drive massive amounts of free traffic to your dropshipping website, you're in the right place, baby. This is gonna be a strategy that nobody is talking about, and you're gonna see a lot of people start talking about this strategy, okay? So if you're a beginner dropshipper, or maybe you've been in the space for a long time, or maybe somewhere in between, this is going to be a must-watch video for you. Now, I'm gonna throw some stats at you real quick, okay? So hopefully you pay attention right now. TikTok was the #1 downloaded app of 2020. TikTok remains 6th among apps for consumer spending worldwide. TikTok has over 1 billion users. In 2018, it had 680 million users, so you can see the huge amount of growth. The best audience range for TikTok is between 13 and 40 years old. Some of you may know, and I'm guessing most of you don't know, I actually have a couple TikTok accounts. My main account has over 100,000 followers on it, and I did that in just 4 to 5 months. And why am I talking about TikTok so much, and why is this important to you as a dropshipper? Well, let me explain. Once in a blue moon, an opportunity comes that allows the average person or the business to have massive amounts of success by hopping on trends early. TikTok is that blue moon. I'm gonna show you in this video how to harness the power of TikTok to drive massive amounts of free traffic to your dropshipping website. I'm gonna show you the strategies, I'm gonna show you the examples. I'm going to walk you through step by step how exactly to be successful. So tune in. But before I do that, make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel to position yourself to be the next big dropshipping success story. Now, there's 2 ways to be successful on TikTok with dropshipping. The first way is what I call personal branded dropshipping, and then the other one is product branded dropshipping. And I'm going to show you both of these examples. Let's first look at personal branded dropshipping. So with personal branded dropshipping, what you're doing is you're actually the face of the brand. There's a personality behind it, and people know your product because they know you. Now, a great example of this is the backyard athlete. I'm going to pop up some stuff here. We're going to look at some videos. I'm going to show you exactly what he's doing to drive massive amounts of sales for absolutely no cost to him. If you scroll through his videos on TikTok, you're going to find a passionate, energetic, fun guy who is introducing a new sport or activity to the market. He does videos around breaking world records, showing the product in exciting ways, and simply just being a jokester. The reason this works is because he's selling the backyard chip, but he's not selling in the traditional sense. When you watch the backyard athlete's videos, you can see yourself enjoying that product with your friends or family, and it's fun. It's a game, and games are fun. And as you can see, it's working. He's racking up hundreds of thousands of views a day, and his videos aren't super overcomplicated, but he is sticking to a specific strategy that I'm gonna break down for you.
Man, thank you guys so much. 100,000 followers, guys. I started my business 6 months ago with 0 followers, 0 customers. And now I'm at over 100,000 followers and over 19,000 happy backyard athletes around the world, guys.
And even if you look at his comments, people are absolutely loving the product, and they don't know it's a dropshipping product. In fact, his customers may be surprised that they can find that exact product on AliExpress like this. You can get this product for just a few bucks, and if I hop over to his website, you can tell that he is selling a 3-pack for $24.99. Now, this is quite the margins for someone that is driving virtually all free traffic. Now, I have seen that he started to run some TikTok ads, but virtually all of his first sales that he's made has been completely free with high margins. One thing he has done to differentiate himself from other people that are just selling stuff from AliExpress is really working in the branding with the colors, the sayings, and the website looks legit. I would highly recommend doing some sort of a customization if you choose to go this route with the personal branded dropshipping. Now let's look at an example of product branded dropshipping. Now with this option, you don't care to have really the personality behind it. You're not really the face behind it. The product is going to be the hero in this situation. You're more focused on showcasing the product as something that is super fun or exciting or solves a real problem for the potential customer. Now, I found this account on TikTok. It's called Drew Balls, and basically these are going super viral all over TikTok right now. They're glow-in-the-dark balls that you can throw and stick to ceilings, and they'll come down. It's a super fun game to play with. This is a great example of someone that is not spending any money on advertising but having massive results. Now, the reason this product works is because you have to, on any sort of advertising platform, you have to figure out who is the major audience. Majority of the audience at TikTok TikTok are younger. They would look for these little fun toys. Always keep in mind your target audience on the platform. But what I want to say is that just because you have a product that may be for someone that's older, it doesn't mean that's not going to work on TikTok. Okay, like I said in the stat before, the range for consumers on this app are going to be 13 to 40. So that's kind of going to be your sweet spot for any product that you choose to sell on this platform. Drew Balls had a video with over 2 million views of it just simply cleaning these dirty balls on a 30 to 60 second video. Okay, think about that. 2 million views.
How to clean your dirty balls. Wash your dirty balls with water. Add soap to your balls. Soap will make them more sticky. Now dry your balls with a towel, and now your balls are super clean.
Now, think about how much it would cost you to pay to get in front of 2 million people. He's doing this for absolutely no money at all. Now, there is some creativity and some strategy involved into actually getting some views on TikTok, and that's exactly what I'm gonna talk about here. I'm gonna break down everything for you. So take out a notepad and a pen if you haven't already. If you know nothing about TikTok, the general formula is that it relies on 4 things. It relies on trends, popular sounds, hashtags, and consistency. You are relying on a single post or posts on TikTok to go viral. That's how you're gonna make things work on here. Now, you are gonna go viral on posting some video promoting your product, like the videos that you'd create for Facebook ads. It's gonna have to be something a little bit different. We need to think outside the box. Now, don't be scared by the word viral, because you're probably like, well, how the heck am I gonna go viral on social media? TikTok is built for the mass majority, meaning that this is the platform that has the biggest opportunity to go viral on it for just anybody and pretty much anything. Sometimes you can just simply show your product and yes, it can go viral, but it has to have that wow factor. Another major key is having it seem like consumer generated content. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean that it is not a super professionally done video. Yes, you heard me right. It should not be professional. You want to make it feel like the average person on TikTok made that video. That's super important. Here's a perfect example with these Bliss lights. You've probably seen that the Galaxy light is super oversaturated, but look at how much engagement this simple video got. And this shows the power of TikTok and what you could potentially do by uploading some very simple videos. Now, here's an example of that same product that they actually paid a TikTok influencer to promote for their Galaxy light.
Hi, I'm back and I wanted to make a small video about something I got in the mail today. It says, bring a romantic oh! It's okay. It says, bring a romantic story knot. So these are how pretty, it says it is. And it's called a Galaxy projector.
But I'm gonna talk about more of this on a different video. Today we're talking about freeways, but as you can see, the power of influencer marketing is real on TikTok. So let me break down some real actionable items for you. So you're gonna need to actually be successful on this platform to create a viral video. Now, the first key is you need to replicate success. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Find a creator or creators that are doing exactly what you wanna do. Maybe it's even a different niche, a different product, but use their strategies, their techniques to implement into your own products. All you have to do is reverse engineer what they're exactly doing, make a little bit of twist on it, and produce your own video. The next key is consistency, okay? You're not just gonna put up a video and it's gonna go viral, okay? You wanna be ideally posting 3 times a day. Yes, I said 3 times a day. And if you're busy, I recommend spending a whole night producing videos, editing, and putting them in the draft section, or maybe spending a night on the weekends doing it. But you're creating a library of videos that you can post out throughout the day. So when it's time to post, all you have to do is click publish and you're good to go. You want to be following trends. And as you can see, if you've been on the TikTok platform, everybody is basically copying each other. It's like a copy and paste. I'm going to copy you. You're going to copy me. We're all just going to copy each other. I'm going to throw up a couple of accounts that you can follow to keep up with all the trends that are going on through TikTok so that you can be sure to be on it when you need to be on it. Now, it might take you some time to get up and running to build some momentum, but I promise you, this is the biggest opportunity for dropshippers right now, and nobody's really talking about it. You're going to start to see people pop up with YouTube videos after I post this. This is going to be massive to drive organic, free traffic to your website. Now, I want you to really focus on the examples that I gave here. I want you to get involved in TikTok if you're not already. Follow these brands, pay attention to who is making dropshipping products and what they're actually doing to be successful on there. I'm telling you, you're going to start, now that you turn this light on, you're going to see bunches and bunches of people that are dropshipping on TikTok. Now, if you want to get a steal on my dropshipping mastery course, check the links below. This is going to be one of the last days that I actually have it at that price. Next week, I'm going to raise it. If you found any value in this video, drop a like on it. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell notification so that you're in the know for any time that I talk about any of these untapped strategies in dropshipping. And as I always say, until next time, peace. Probably thinking to yourself, why am I burning my work clothes? Well, before burning these work clothes, before leaving a job I hated, before generating millions of dollars online, before being featured in Yahoo Finance, Business Blurb, Fox, ABC, before helping thousands of people build their own successful online business, I was just like you.